Hello everyone. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today, let us see how to make green tomato chutney. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. So to make this chutney, we have taken 250 grams green tomatoes. They come to around 7 green tomatoes. We have washed them well. And then we have taken 1 tablespoon chana dal or split Bengal gram, 1.5 tablespoon imli or tamarind, 1 tablespoon cashew nuts or kaju, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon jaggery, some salt to taste, around 9 green chilies. This is oil for tempering, but we have taken total half cup oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, curry leaves, and hing or asafoetida powder. And then 1 red chili has been broken into pieces. This is going into tempering. Now we have chopped the green tomatoes roughly like this after washing them well. There is no need to chop them fine because we are anyway going to grind them afterwards. And then we have taken 1 onion and chopped it roughly like this. So now we are all set to make the chutney. Now let us begin. Let us heat 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil in a pan. So now let us add in the chana dal and roast it until it is golden brown in color. So now we have added the tamarind and giving it a stir. Now let us add in the cashew nuts or kaju and stir until it turns golden in color. Add in the methi seeds or fenugreek seeds and stir for a bit. Now add in green chilies. Switch off the flame and let the roasted ingredients cool. Now let's heat some oil again in a pan. When the oil is hot, let us add the roughly chopped onions and stir until they change color. Now the onions have turned color and so we have added the green tomatoes. So let us give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, add in some water. Add very little water, say about 2 to 3 tablespoon water. Add some salt. And now let us cover and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the tomatoes now are all done. They are soft. Now we have switched off the flame. And after switching off the flame, we are adding jaggery or good. Now let this cool. And in the meanwhile, we have taken in the other roasted ingredients which have cooled in a mixer jar. We have ground them first. And then now we are adding the tomatoes and onions which we have stir fried. Now we are going to blend this. You can add very little water if you want. We did not need to add. If you are adding water, make sure you have heated it and cooled the water and then you are adding it. Now our chutney is all ready. We have blended it. Now we have to do the tempering. So we have heated a small skillet and added oil to it, and now when the oil is hot, we have added in the mustard seeds or rai. The mustard seeds have crackled and we have added urad dal, red chili. Now let us add hing or asafoetida powder, some curry leaves. We have broken the curry leaves. We have switched off the flame now, and let us add this tempering to our chutney. So our chutney is tasting awesome and looking great. We can have this with idli, dosa, rice, bread or anything. It's a very tasty chutney, but today we are going to have it with adai. We have posted the recipe of adai in our channel. This is adai dosa. Do check it out. It's an awesome combination. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. See you soon with another recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.